Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Measure 3 cups rolled oats, 1 cup chopped almonds, 120 g, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/3 cup honey, and 1/4 cup coconut oil. These proportions make a crunchy mix for roughly 4 to 6 servings. Add 1 teaspoon cinnamon and a pinch of salt to balance sweetness and flavor. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees F and line a sheet pan with parchment for even baking. You can swap almonds for walnuts or seeds, keeping the same weight. Use gluten-free oats if needed for dietary restrictions. Mix the oats and chopped almonds with brown sugar, honey, melted coconut oil, cinnamon, and salt until evenly coated and slightly clumpy. The wet ingredients help clusters form while baking. Spread the mixture in one thin, even layer on the prepared sheet pan so it browns uniformly. Bake at 325 degrees F for 18 to 22 minutes, stirring gently at the 10-minute mark to expose different pieces to heat. Let the baked oat crunch cool on the pan for 30 minutes so it sets into clusters and becomes crisp. Store the cooled oat crunch in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. For longer storage, freeze portions in zip bags for up to 3 months. To refresh crispness after a day or two, warm a small batch at 300 degrees F for 5 minutes, watching closely so it does not burn. Use oat crunch as a topping for yogurt or ice cream, fold into granola bars, or serve by the spoonful as a snack. If you want less sweetness, reduce honey by 25% and compensate with 1 tablespoon more oil for texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.